Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to discuss XRP. I will be doing a very short video just so you can also possibly look at this trade and do it yourself. So let's get started. Firstly, what I'm seeing over here is clearly a breakout above this descending resistance line. We have seen this breakout outside of this symmetrical triangle, and we have a lot of momentum towards the upside still coming during the upcoming days. If you ask me, due to the fact that we're seeing a crossover on the daily MACD, this is very good to me, and I think this will have a lot of influence in overall XRP's price action. We could see a major increase as we did see before. Once we saw a crossover of the MACD on the daily time frame, we could see a major increase in XRP's price action. So I think this breakout has a lot of potential, and this is why I will be placing my trade like this. So if we take a look at the next 30 minutes and zoom in a little bit closer, what you can clearly see is that we are going to hit all the way towards this pink line, and this pink line is for me actually a point of lots of importance, due to the fact that if we are going to see a retest of this level, I will be entering my trade right over there. Well, the second place I would like to take a look at is actually the red line at this point in time at $1.20, where I will be placing my stop loss due to the fact that that is underneath this previous level of support. So I think if we see a breakout all the way towards the downside, this will be the best potential way to place actually my stop loss. And where am I placing my take profit? So my take profit will be actually approximately around here at 149.4. So at $1.49. And why am I doing this? Because if you take a look, for example, at the breakout is clearly the measurement tool right over here, the white one. And what I actually did is I concluded that we were breaking out above the 0.618 Fibonacci level all the way towards the $1.58, and I thought this could possibly see a major increase in XRP's price action, but I think this is very unlikely to occur due to the fact that it's almost a 12% increase above this level of resistance that we are heading towards. So therefore I decided to place my take profit at 5.8% above this Fibonacci retracement, due to the fact that I think there's a more realistic target. It is a little bit less than the half of the complete target that we have seen out of this symmetrical triangle, and I think this is more likely to occur. Of course, if I will take profits earlier, I will be keeping you up to date on my Twitter channel, but this is something I for sure wanted to show you, what I think is very important and why I think we have to decide to enter the trade on this critical level at $1.25 is actually due to the fact that if we are seeing right now, this has been a critical level of resistance. Previously, you could see several weeks of candles getting rejected by this level. Also, we could see clearly finding support on top of it right over here, and also due to the fact that I think this will be the very last candle where you will be able to actually enter this trade at this point in time. So thank you very much for watching. Lastly, I wanted to actually show you the relative strength index. The relative strength index is actually looking very good to me on the 30 minutes time frame. It does look a little bit worse on the bigger time frames, like the 4-hourly time frame, or perhaps the 3-hourly time frames, where it's actually clearly overbought. But what I would like to show you is actually the daily time frame, where it's as well heading towards the upside, but it still has enough space to actually grow, and that could be the potential breakout. So I'm actually quite well and satisfied about the daily time frame as well. On the MACD, it's looking very well, and I would like to take a look on the 4-hourly time frame to the moving averages and the EMA ribbon. So the EMA ribbon, you can clearly see it has been broken above. We have not been able to find support on top of it, but I think this is very healthy due to the fact that if we see right now a breakout towards the downside, the EMA ribbon will support us for sure. And as well, if you take a look, the EMA ribbon is right now heading towards that level of stop loss at $1.20. So I think perhaps if we see a breakout towards the downside, that would be a perfect level to place your stop loss on top. Lastly, I would like to discuss just 20-day moving average. If we take a look at the 20-day moving average, is also heading in that direction. It is underneath us, and it will serve as a major level of support. So thank you very much for watching, and I will upload this video as quickly as possible. Have a nice day.